For many of us, photo enhancing is a tedious and long journey, trapped in searching tools, learning PS skills, and even spending lots of money for help. Listen, HitPaw Photo Enhancer is here to help you get out of the woods. You can upscale and repair all kinds of photos with 4 powerful AI models. General Model works with most photos, helping you enlarge images to 2 times, 4 times, even 8 times without any quality loss. Denoise Model can easily reduce the noise, presenting you with a high-definition photo. Just take pictures in dark lighting fearlessly. The colorize model can restore the color of black and white photos naturally. The face model can not only repair extremely blurred faces, but also retouch the face details. Bring your old photos back to life. All with one click, HitPaw can handle all kinds of damaged photos and make them look perfect. Millions of photos are waiting on the list? No problem. With the batch photo processing function in HitPaw Photo Enhancer, you can overlay different models on each photo separately, making every photo stay unique. HitPaw Photo Enhancer, your best AI solution for photos.